L2TP, Layer 2 Tunneling Protocol, is a tunneling protocol used to support virtual private networks or as part of the delivery of service by ISPs. It does not provide any encryption or confidentiality by itself. Instead, it relies on encryption protocol that it passes within the tunnel to ensure privacy and security. When paired with IPSEC, Internet Protocol Security, it becomes L2TP IPSEC, which is commonly used for secure VPN connections. L2TP UDP ports 500 and 4500. These ports are used for IPSEC and NAT. IP Protocol 50 ESP, encapsulating security payload. This protocol is used for the actual encrypted data transfer when using IPSEC. L2TP pros, security. When combined with IPSEC, L2TP provides robust security features including data confidentiality, data integrity, and data origin authentication. Compatibility. L2TP is widely supported by most major OS and network devices, making it easy to set up and use across different platforms. Encapsulation. L2TP can encapsulate packets from different protocols, which makes it versatile for various network needs. Stability and reliability. L2TP is known for being a stable and reliable protocol, which is important for maintaining consistent VPN connections. L2TP cons. Performance. L2TP IPSEC can introduce some performance overhead due to the double encapsulation of data and encryption and decryption process, which might slow down the connection. Complex configuration. Setting up L2TP with IPSEC can be more complex than other VPN solutions, requiring careful configuration to ensure security and functionality. NAT traversal issues. L2TP can face issues with network address translation, which can complicate setups, especially in home and small business environments where NAT is commonly used. No built-in encryption. L2TP alone does not provide encryption. It must be paired with IPSEC to ensure the security of data transmission.